Hello friends, today we are going to see a very interesting trap in the Queen's Gambit declined variation. This trap is named the Rubinstein trap and it is a chess opening trap in the Queen's Gambit declined orthodox defense. The trap is named after Akibai Rubinstein, who had the misfortune of falling into it twice in the games with the Maxiv and Rubinstein, Bad Kissingen 1928, and also he lost this game against Alexander Alekhine, where Alekhine was playing white and Rubinstein was black in San Remo 1930. And many other players also have fallen to this trap. So today let's start and see how the trap works. White plays d4, black replies with d5, knight f3, knight f6, c4, e6, and we have entered the Queen's Gambit declined. And now white goes for bishop g5, black replies knight bd7, and here white plays e3, bishop e7, removing the pin on the knight. White continues with knight c3, black replies castling, white plays rook c1, and black replies rook e8. White goes for queen c2, and here black goes for a6. White goes for the exchange variation in this Queen's Gambit, pawn into d5 and e into d5, and after this white goes for normal placement of the bishop on d3, which is aiming towards the king side on the h7 pawn. Black plays c6, just keeping a guard on this pawn and also opening the line for the queen on the queen side. Castle. Here black replies with h6, attacking this bishop, and the bishop just drops back to f4. And here the moves like knight f8 is a good move, or knight b6 can be tried, opening the line for this bishop, and which can continue with the development. The main variation here is knight f8, but in the game black went for knight h5, trying to attack this bishop and exchange it, which is attacking along these lines. Okay, so he wanted to exchange this bishop, but this move is a bad move, and now white gets an advantage over here. Here you can pause the video and try to find what is the best move for white. Okay, ready? Here white went for knight into d5, and white is sacrificing a knight over here, but black cannot take the knight. If he captures the knight, the queen is lost. Bishop c7 traps the queen, and you can see this queen cannot escape anywhere. It will be lost for the bishop. In this variation, suppose black does not take the knight on d5 and eliminates this bishop, knight into f4, then white can simply play knight into f4 and is a clear pawn up in the opening part, and white has well developed pieces and black has still not developed the queen side. So this way white is already having a very good advantage in the opening. So this was the Rubinstein trap in the Queen's Gambit declined opening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.